we're gonna be installing this goddamn LED steering wheel. Y'all, step by step of how to actually do it. First step, disconnect your battery so the airbags will hit your ass in the face. You gonna get a screwdriver or something like this, and you gonna stuff it inside of her.
I'm feeling romantical.
You gonna keep on, you feel me, until this eventually pops up.
6.5 hours later.
What?
Call for that.
Trying to put a steering wheel on.
Oh,
We got Mr. Famous Slammer right here.
the mechanic. What can the famous
No,
LS mechanic do for you? Look at this bitch. Look, watch. Who you know get screws off with a motherfucking...
Wouldn't it be easier if we just take this off first?
What you mean?
Like take the steering wheel off first, then do all that shit.
You're a fucking dumbass.
There you go.
We out here struggling. Trying to...
What, we need a drill? I got a drill.
I mean, we could use a drill if it has the fucking drive for it, because if not, I think this is like a 1/4 drive. Yeah, get in. Alright, now you straight.
Few inches later.
Man, that shit took forever. And I had to call my homeboy to help man. Poking the holes to even get it out was so stupid. Anyways, we got it out. Here's how it looks. Man, as you can see, finally took that bit out, bro. After you take it out, all you gotta do is transfer everything from the OEM to the aftermarket. So, done. This how the aftermarket steering wheel / LED steering wheel look. Basically, all you gotta do is take everything off the other steering wheel, put it on this steering wheel, and it connects perfectly fine. It's easy. All the parts come in the thing. When you take it off, you just put it right back on, vice versa. So after you put everything on the LED steering wheel, next thing you gotta do is wire. Wiring is not that bad. You basically are putting all the wires back together. You're gonna need some electric tape. You're gonna have to put the black wire to the black wire, the red wire to the purple wire. Everything's gonna be fine. Red to red. Like I said, black to black, purple to purple. Then when you put the airbag in, all you're gonna do is put the clips in. The airbags are going to work. All your buttons are going to work. Nothing's gonna be messed up on your vehicle as long as you do it correctly. Yellow to yellow, blue to blue. It's really simple, honestly. Make sure to keep your battery unplugged. So basically, this is how it's gonna look after you put the airbags back in. Last thing you gotta do, you gotta put the plug-in thing you got from the box and put it in your scan reader, or your little computer, little jack thing right there. You're gonna find it. You know what I'm talking about. You're gonna plug it in. After that, steering wheel plugged in. Basically, this is just gonna read everything off your vehicle and put it on the LED screen. Because the steering wheel does have a screen that tells you different things. It's a fun little feature. I'm gonna show you later on in the video. Your blue light's gonna pop up at first. Mine's already pop on. That's why it's not popping on right now. There's a button in the back that just indicates that it's on and it's reading. Okay, cool. Like I said, after this, you're just done. Man, that's what I meant earlier. The little screen on the steering wheel reads everything off your vehicle. So RPMs, temperature, all that. Man, what's on YouTube? Back with another fucking video. Second video ever. I told y'all niggas I was gonna come with the mods in this car. Today's the fucking day. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is hell. God, my damn fingers is hurting. I gotta bro, this shit is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I can't even record and do this at the same time just cause how hard, man. And I gotta do the whole tip, man. Y'all can't even see. I gotta, yeah. Editing on this bitch gonna be crazy, man. Bear with me. I'll be right back, bro. Help. Please. Help. I don't even know how to describe this bullshit right here. This shit right here gonna be the death of me. Y'all fools don't know how much y'all fools don't know how much progress this is, man. My fingers. These damn fingers, they hurting, man. You don't know how much progress this is, real shit. And the bullshit just came out. God damn.
Few moments later.
Let's say you got some money laying around. You know you want to go for better quality. You can hop on Viacraze and copy my exact build, or just customize it however you like for whatever color accents you like. This is what I got. This is how I did it. If you want a cheaper option, you can always go Amazon. They got one for $500, and then if you take the little LED screen off, it's $400. Now for LED lights, you can go a numerous amount of options. You can go a little more expensive route and go RBG halo lights, or me, I went Amazon. I spent like $20 for my shit. I went Amazon because I can always replace my shit for cheap. $20, $30, it's over with. Now, let's say you got some old bread laying around, you can go this. You can go RBG. It's like $300 if you get the, the 6-piece, the 8-piece. So it's a little more expensive, but they got a whole bunch of warranties and guarantees for your shit. So me, if my shit fuck up, I just gotta buy another $20. Your shit, you can get replaced.
You had this steering wheel for about 2 weeks now. Peep the detail, you feel me? Shit look nice, shit look good. It's been working pretty good. It got all the settings correctly. I can tap the buttons still work. You can turn it off if you're afraid of your battery going off and shit. To turn it off, I'm gonna show you in a little bit. All you gotta do is press the 2 buttons and hold it. Cause like if you press the buttons, you can go through different settings. There's track mode settings, sport mode settings, highway, all type of shit. Like the shit's really cool. It's alright. If you're afraid, like I said earlier, of your battery going out, all you have to do is hold the 2 buttons and it will shut off. It'll turn back on when you put the car on, and that's really it. Cause if you wire it properly, the moment you press your start button, it's gonna pop up right along with it. And then regarding the LED lights, the lights are cool. I don't like the little yellow wire ones that they be having. These are a little more, not that expensive, but they're a little better compared to the ones that you just normally get. Really cool fiber optic. Not even fiber optic. I think it's like RBGs. It's just all around cool. But if y'all enjoyed the video, I got another tutorial coming out too, how to install things. Look at the background for this, how the shit look. It look nice. Let me turn on these damn LED lights real quick though, for sure though. Do not mind the McDonald's in the back. Fuck you, nigga. But now every time you rev it, like the steering wheel will light up. You feel me? When you flatline it or go through high RPMs, it's gonna flash red. Just some cool ambiance to update your car, make it look a little better, because we all know that inside these shits, this been the same for years. The RBG light come with a remote, come through different colors, different settings, all that type of shit, man. You got different modes, you got music mode, there's some cool shit. But without further ado, if y'all enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the shit, and I'm gonna drop some more shit. I got a wide body video coming out real soon. I'm recording it right now. I got it halfway done. If you follow me on IG, right here, yeah, you follow me on IG, you gonna see a little progress and shit. Oh, before I end the video, stay tuned. I'm finna do another install video for the interior for the goddamn starlights, things of that nature. And